Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Max, it's Max Modz, and today is Back to the Future Fridays, everybody. And we have issue 38 of Build the Back to the Future Delorean. And we are going to be working with some wires today, so I'm really excited for this issue because I just absolutely love doing electronics on vehicles and in general, really. So I'm really looking forward to this issue of the Delorean. So, with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing we need to do, we need to work near the rear of the car. So I'm just going to move some of these wires out of the way. And we've got this part here that we need to put on. It's just calling it a plate, really. And this needs to be put on just on there, just like that. And that is to be screwed down with some NM screws. So we need 3 NM screws. And we know these are going into metal, so I'd have a 3-in-1 oil. That's one. This is the second. And then we've got the third one to go in. Okay, let's get some oil on that one. Okay, and that plate is nicely in place. Now what we need to do next, I need to turn the vehicle around because we're going to start the wiring for this. And we're working on this side first of all, and it wants us to get hold of like a blue and red wire, and it wants the blue and white wire. Now I've been told that it's better to go with the colours, but if you're wanting to know, it's got a 9 and a 19 on it. Okay, I'm also going to need a ruler. And what we need to do first of all is we're just going to sort of put this wire into there like so. But what it's asking us to do is to make sure we have 6 to 7 centimetres in length coming from the part there. So let's have a look. Right, so yeah, I'd say that just a tad more, and I'd say that's 6 or 7 centimetres of wire. Just double check. Always double check. Yep, I'm happy with that. Okay, the next thing we need to do is we need to put one of these plastic connect wire tidies in. Now I've got to admit, these are very fiddly. They don't want to stay in place. So that's just resting on. Just lost a screw. Got it back now. Decided to drop down onto my chair. Okay, that's that one in place. I'm just going to remove the blue tack now. Actually, you can move them wires, so I don't know why it's asking you to make sure there's 6 or 7 centimetres on them. Okay, so next one we need to put another one just down onto this section here. So, making sure the wires are nice and tidy. These are very, very fiddly. Right, got it. So screw that one down. Okay. So now them two are screwed into place. We need to now sort out some more bits of wiring. So what we need next is we've got these two wires here and here, but I am missing a step because we need to put some tape onto these that we've been given. Now I'm going to have to remove that tape that's holding that wire in place because it wants us to tape down here. What I might do is I might do that off camera because I need to tape some of this other bits and pieces down as well. Actually, no, I don't think I do. Right, I can do this now then. Okay, we have been given some stickers to do this with, so we need to make sure we've got the 6 to 7 centimetres at this end. Which we now have. I'm going to hold that in place, sort of train the wires downwards, and then once a sticker just after there, so right, so we've got one there, just there, pretty hard to see really, and then we need another one just a bit further down. So again, I'm going to have to remove some of the electrical tape again because I need to put another sticker on. So let me get another sticker. Now I am taking my time with these electrics because I know there have been issues with them, so I'm just making sure I do what the magazine is telling me to do. Okay, so that runs down there, and we'll put sort of another sticker. Right, might just put this one on with tweezers. Right, okay, I'm happy with that. So now we've got that sticker in place. The next thing we need to do is we've got some more wires, like I said. Okay, so if we turn the car around, because I'm trying to do this as per the magazine, because these wires are going to be going on this side, and it's wire number 12, which is a red and orange wire, and also red number 8, which is red and white. Okay, right, so here we go. Right, so again, we need that 6 to 7 centimetre thing, but I'm not going to worry about that at the moment because I'd like to get the little bits in for the cable tidy, as they're very fiddly to do. Okay, so right, so drop that in place. One of the wires had to come out, just had to come out, didn't it? Okay, that's in place, and then I'll just put another screw in, and that wanted to fly everywhere, so that's good job I can see that. Right, luckily I saw that and I saw where it landed. Okay. So get the screw lined up first. Like I said, they're just very fiddly to get in where you need to. And then you've got to hold the wire down as well, which doesn't help. So, but I do like my electrics, so I'm actually finding this quite enjoyable. Right, I believe I've got that lined up. I do have it lined up with my screwdriver. Screw has come off again. Okay. Okay, that's that first one in. And then we've got another one to go in just here. I do apologise, it's very hard to see. It is a black on black part, so right, tweezers. I feel like I'm doing microsurgery with this one today. I don't know, but I feel like a bit of a surgeon. Right, where did that go? There. Actually, also looking forward to the next issue because we actually get the floor pan for the interior. So we start the interior in 40. We start the interior. So I'm really, looking forward to that as well. Okay, that's in place. Screwing it down. Okay, that's now in place. Right, so moving on to the next step. Just sort my instructions out because they're upside down. So moving on to the next step, we just need to put these wires sort of with some stickers again, like in the previous issue. So let's move some stuff out of the way. So what I'm going to check is I've got my 6 to 7 centimeters on this side. Oh, got a bit more than 6 to 7 centimeters. Yeah, I'd say that's about right. Okay, grab the stickers wherever they've gone. Ah, there they are. Okay, so let's get these stuck down. I'm absolutely terrible at taking stickers off backings, I really am. Right, so I'm going to use my tweezers again. I'm just seeing where they want this one to go. So, right. Right, so that's the first sticker in place. I know you can't see this, guys, but it's just gone in down there. Wow, this is starting to look like an electrician's nightmare at the moment. But I'm sure it'll all come good in the long run. Right, so get the other sticker. When I can. Right. That one wants to be round about where the electrical tape wants to be. Right, so that's both of them are now in place, apart from the other one which has just come off. Right, that's stuck back down, and that is issue 38, everybody. So wow, what a lot we've had to do with these wires, but I was looking forward to it. I thoroughly enjoyed it because it's one of my favourite things to do. So yeah, that's issue 38 complete. Well, that's it for Back to Future Fridays, everybody. Thanks for tuning in today. I really did enjoy that build, to be perfectly honest with you, even though it was a bit fiddly. Especially getting them little tiny plastic bits in to hold the wires in place. They were very, very, very fiddly. I've got to admit that one, but I did enjoy it. Anyway, if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell and be notified of any future videos. But as for always, guys, stay safe and bye for now.